Hey, so last time we was talking about the network agent organizations, the agent states, and all other things. And right now, it's a huge uh, movement that everybody is scared that the AI will take our jobs. We will be all unemployed and die somewhere under the bridge. But I don't think that it will happen quite soon, actually. And if it gets back to the times where the vehicles was invented, yeah, a lot of people that was driving the horses, they lose their jobs. But as a result, we get more jobs on the car factories, the professional drivers, and the manufacture of the petroleum and all other things. So I deeply believe that AI will create more jobs than removing all of the things. But another big movement right now, it's a movement of the gig economy. And what the gig economy mean? It's I'm quite skeptical that Gen Z usually reinvent something that was existing before for centuries. But for the gig economy, it's slightly different because it's not just freelancing. It's a completely different way how people actually do their job daily. Because right now we have the permanent employment, we have the company, we go to the companies and do something there and get the salary monthly. And we have early contracts, long time relations. But right now, the AI and AI agents in the future potentially, we could do tasks faster and in a bigger amounts. And it's mean that we will move more to this freelance approach that instead of hiring you for months, so instead of hiring you permanently, people will just pay you for some of part of your expertise. So how the freelance and gig economy differ? It's not a big difference actually. It's a form of freelance, but then maybe the strategy will be different. Maybe you will take money not for hours, and I never liked the hourly rate because I spent years to get my expertise. I spent enormous amount of time to do the research and all of the things, and then people pay me for the consultation where I use all this experience, but I get just hourly rate for the consultation, but it's just the top of the iceberg. And then in a gig economy, you have some well-defined projects or tasks that have some amount of payment that may be not connected actually to your hourly rate. And the main idea that instead of the permanent employee, you have tons of different small tasks for absolutely different companies, and maybe you will employ it together with some IE agents, or maybe somebody will pay you that you know how to coordinate and how to work in this AI network organizations. Maybe you could have completely different roles that doesn't exist nowadays, that allows you to work effectively with the swarms of the agents, validate their results, and achieve some tasks faster. So the gig economy actually it's the shift from the permanent employment to these small tasks, from the hourly rate to more fair payment that will take into account the complexity of the things that you're doing, your experience, and what you actually could do with these new tools. And we just need to build the infrastructure for this future that bring the security, identity, trust, and all of the things that currently lacking in this space. So that's all that I was keen to share with you. I just go into the beach to enjoy the weather. See you next time. Choose.